Hello, welcome to the channel. So let me give you a scenario. You've got your default seat from Tesla, the carpet floor mats, and now you look at your floor mats and they're just dingy. It's just wet, it's stained, it's got dirt and everything in it, and you're like, oh man, I wish I did this protection thing from day one. Well, if you're in that situation, or if you're someone who just wants to protect your car from day one, I've got a solution for you here. What I'm going to be talking about today is a floor protection bundle from Yeslak. Now, this is not your typical floor mat. Yes, there's a bunch of floor mats out there. Everybody's got floor mats, and I've done a few floor mat reviews. This one here is different. So the different thing about this is, like, this is not just for floor mats, it's also a bunch of other protection areas. One thing with this Model Y Juniper here is it's got carpet type material everywhere. The door seals, in the front and the back, it's all carpet, right? So even if you put a floor mat in, that's just protecting the regular floor. But what about those door seals? If you have kids that sit in the back, they're climbing into that car and they're stepping on that area a lot, and it just makes it, easy to wear out and traps dirt. This floor mat here was different with them is it combines both the floor mat and the door seal protection in one. It's floor mat, it's door seal, and I love that because you don't have to buy 1, 2, 3 different kits. You get one kit, you get everything. So this is going to be a review of the products from Yeslak. We'll put them in and we'll see how well they fit and everything. And again, this is perfect for you. You can order this before you get your car. Have it ready to go. Day one, you put it in and you preserve that pristine look of your car right from the jump. So let's talk about what that looks like here. Again, it's all the way from the frunk to the trunk. For the frunk, very simple. There's nothing hard to it. Simply take that, put it in, and it's perfect fit. There's cutouts for that little plastic thing there, and that's it. It's got raised edges, and so if anything spills in it, it's going to trap it for a good amount of time, but that's that. So now if you're putting stuff that's going to scratch the bottom of the frunk, it's going to scratch this carpet, and that frunk itself is protected, and you keep your day one look from the start. And that's the frunk. For the driver's seat in the front, we're going to put this in here. There we go. So again, your dead pedal, and this is exactly where I was saying. Now you can see before, this part is all carpet, and honestly, I hate that part because when you're going into the car, this part is always getting lots of stain and dirt and whatnot. And so instead of having to buy one kit for this part by itself, now you've got an all-in-one. This goes in here, and then for this part, all you have to do is take your weather strip that's here. If you have a pry tool, you can use that. And if you don't have this, anything you have will work. It's just to help you lift this weather strip. And once that's lifted, you are going to tuck this under that weather strip, just like that. And so if I have any suggestion or improvement, it will be that these pieces here have like Velcro under it, even though sometimes I'm not a fan of Velcro because it's just a lot of like ripping, but this might benefit from having Velcro under it just to help it lock in place. But again, this weather seal is gonna do a good job of holding it down. And that's it. Again, now you've got protection. So now going into the car, I'm not worried about this part anymore. And again, it's rubber. So if it ever gets too dirty, you want to clean it out, just take it off, wash it off, and put it back in. And it fits perfectly. This part here, I really like. And so this is really good. There might be an option in the future where they do something that covers up here too. But as of right now, this is like high traffic area right here. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like under. This goes all the way to the back of the seat. Most of them that I see, they stop like right there. But no, this goes all the way to the very end. So that's perfect. You've got that coverage all the way to the back, even under your seat. Let's get to the passenger side and the rear. So let's get this in here first. And so because it's a very nice tight flush and fit, everything fits really nicely. So it fits really tight to both sides, that is holding that in place. And of course with time it will stay that way. And then again, same thing, you've got a protection for that ledge over here versus carpet protection. And so just like we did, I'm going to do something different here. I'm going to pull out this weather strip instead. I think it's probably just easier to do it that way. So I'm going to put that under, and then I'm going to lay it back down. That's it. That's a much quicker way than trying to do the pry tool. You just pull out the weather strip from there to there, put this down, and when you lay it back down, you lay the weather strip on top of it, and that's it. This one too, same thing. The carpet goes all the way to the back of the riser. So on that note, let's go see how well the back fits. The rear seat is where I think you're going to get the most benefit of this, with all the risers on the sides and everything. So let's see what that looks like. I'm going to put it in from here, and then I'm going to come to the other side and show you what it looks like for that side sill. All right. There we go. Perfect. So from this angle, you can see the floor mat again go all the way to the back of the riser. There where you have the floor vents. This also goes all the way. And then back here, again, I'm gonna bring the camera in and show you what it looks like back here. Because this back here, perfect. It's perfection. You get protection from if anybody's kicking their feet against this board here, this wall here, it's not damaging anything. It's just hitting this protection. So let me show you what that looks like on the door sill from that side. So for this, we're going to do the same thing we did with the front seats. When it comes to that door sill, we're going to just open up the weather sill and put that down. But once you put everything down, that's what it looks like. And so I'm going to pull this up and then lay this down. That goes just like that, right? And then just bring this back down over it, and that's it. This part here is probably one of the most abused part of the car getting in. Again, we have little kids, they're going in, most people are stepping on here. This is where they're stepping, and because it's currently carpet, it's getting dirty. Now with that, you can simply just take a towel, wipe that piece, wet towel, and it's clean, and your carpet is not wearing out. I mentioned showing you the inside behind the on the back wall, and so let me get the camera in and show what that looks like. And that's what that back wall looks like. That's the carpet, and one continuous riser, and it goes up here, and this is right to the edge of the seat. So this whole back wall is protected, and that runs into the side of the door sill. And so from end to end, it's one straight single protection going all the way across from one side to one side. And again, this goes all the way. You can see that's the carpet going all the way to the floor, to the back of the riser, to the floor vent. So perfect fitment and good protection. All right, next part we're going to protect now is going to be the back of this seat. So I've already got the seats folded. You've got three parts here, one for the left, right, and center. And so this is going to be the center. We'll just start with one. Put this way. And so the way you're going to do that, just simply align. It's got like little curved edges that lets you know, of course, to wrap around that edge, and everything is nicely well measured. It's got Velcro strips behind it that make it easy to just adhere. And then same thing, I'm gonna get this spot here, align the curves on the top, and just like that. It's got cutouts for the seat belts or for the hinge over there. If you're carrying stuff in your trunk, this is important because you're probably gonna have stuff bumping into the back of the seats. It might be like, well, not a big deal, but I have had on my previous Legacy Model Y where I did not have this in time, and yeah, it kind of was not nice that I had scratches and stuff behind that seat. So now this seat's all protected. So while we're in the back of the seat, let's go talk about the trunk. I'm gonna move this up here. This is probably the most abused part of the car, the trunk. And so definitely you want to have something in the trunk. And for this one here, you've got two things. You've got the sub trunk, which is going to be this space under here. And then this just goes in there like so. And let me show you what that looks like. Just like that. You put it in and you press down, and that's it. It's a fit. So now if I'm putting stuff in there, I'm not worried. It's got a lip also, so if anything spills, it's gonna get cut in there and not just spill over real quick into that space. Now let's look at the main frunk and the last piece of the puzzle. This part here, like I said, definitely very important. That's because you put stuff on here, so definitely you want this in there. Again, you've got cutouts, so nothing is going to be in the way. And this brick here in the thing is perfect because you can still open up the whole thing without having to, you don't have to worry about, oh, I got to take this whole thing out. No, the bricks are out there, in there to help you with opening up that space. I'm going to recall the seats. I want to see how well everything fits. Perfect. And so now you open up this, then it's good. And put that back, put this down, and protection from day one. If you're looking for other protection pieces, Yeslak.com has a bunch of other accessories. They've got things for like cubbies you want to do here. And if you want to do other things like this side panel here, this piece over here, there's a lot more other accessories that they have for protection that you can use to take care of those places. And so that's, again, this is the Yeslak floor interior protection bundle. This is something I definitely recommend from day one. If you're particular about having that pristine car look and keeping your car in that clean look from day one, this is recommended from day one. Again, you get 2 in 1. It's protection, regular typical floor mat protection, but you also get extra protection when it comes to like your door seals, especially in the back, right? The front and everything. It helps you with spillage, dust, dirt, wetness, anything that can get into those areas and just make those areas hard to maintain. Again, your trunk, your frunk, your seat backs, day one protection, highly recommended. I'm going to have links in the description and discount code for you to use if you want to order from Yeslak. It came in 1 box, so it's not multiple shipments. And again, highly recommended as your day one protection. If you're new to the Tesla world, welcome. Hopefully this helps you. If you've had your Tesla for some time and you've not had protection, it's not too late. You can still order this and get your car protected and not have any more damage be done to those carpet areas. But as always, hopefully this has been helpful for you. And if it has, don't forget to like this, share the video with others. And if you're not subscribed, please do hit that button that support the channel. I appreciate you guys as always, and we'll see you next time.